What's up, man? So I got my M12 transfer pump out the water. It was raining, so it filled the hole. We got a spot repair, and in a moment I'm about to show some plumber's cracks, so I'm gonna censor that out for you. And I'm cutting out the PVC that snapped. And it was a pretty clean break. Look at these roots. Look at that, dude. That thing was packed tight, bro. Good night. So I'm filing up the PVC. Supposed to chamfer it, bevel it, that way you get smooth transitions and it'll fit nice into the fitting. I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound of the rain's pretty soothing as it's hitting the canopy. So what I'm doing is I'm just prefabbing everything. I'm just gonna be gluing everything together and then banding it onto the existing pipe. I can't glue couplings, and you'll see why at the very end, just because of how the tree roots have pushed down the PVC to where the degree is just so off that you can't use a fitting to properly transition with that short of a run. So I do my best in order to work with the customer. He's aware. He doesn't want to dig up more line. So we're kind of left at the situation of what it is. So what we're doing is we're gluing two 22s together with a slight offset. It's going to be a very slight rolling offset. But there's only so much you can do because of how straight the two pipes are coming together. So because it's a little off, we're going to have to use rubber banded couplings to kind of alleviate some of that tension off that weird degree. But you'll see, it'll look worse than what it is. We run a camera down to show you the transition, and it's a nice transition and doesn't lose any slope. So. So I'm using OD primer and glue, or solvent cement, and I like to use the heavy duty. I don't know about you guys. I use the OD heavy duty clear, but I'd like to know, man, what you guys use. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys use, what brand you use. OD seems to be the standard over here. So that pipe is city pipe. It's SDR 22. I'm gluing a bushing onto it because it is a little bit thinner than regular PVC. So this bushing is going to be able to allow me to use a band and, tie on to where it's nice and tight. So this is a torque wrench. It's rigid torque wrench. It's a 60-pound torque wrench, which once you hear a click, you know you've hit the 60 pounds of torque. And it's what's recommended to use when cinching down these bands. All right, so this is the finished product. You're gonna see here that it's not back falling. It's still falling at 1/8 of an inch, but you can see the dramatic change of that degree. Now this is inside the pipe. You can see that's the transition that looks pretty crazy. but you can see it's nice and smooth. The way I cut the pipe at an angle, it allows to be fully butted up. And then you can see the water still running down to prove that it doesn't lose fall, it's not backfalling. And then it hits the 222s to transition into the city pipe. So it works, man. It'll work for the customer. It's going to save him from digging up his lawn and replacing the yard line, even though that's what we do recommend. But he's good, man.